Today we're smoking some hot dogs with a little flair. Stay tuned. So before I throw these babies in the smoker, I'm gonna show you a little thing I do to give it a little bit more style. You get two uniform handles that don't taper off. These are gonna be your guide so that you don't go too far into the hot dog. And all we're gonna do here is we're gonna score the hot dog before we stick it into the smoker. So this is just kind of like diagonals. Go one way. Bring it over the other way. And it's as simple as that. You get a nice little score. So we do this for a couple of reasons. One, so that there's more smoke that goes into it. And two, when you stick it in the smoker, this thing just doesn't just burst on you. If for whatever reason you don't have one of these or a couple of these to help you out, I mean, the other way to do it is just kind of use freestyle. Just don't go too far in. You're just scoring it. You go this way, and then you flip it over. And once you get the hang of it, you can do a couple at a time. Just remember just to go in maybe 1/4 of an inch. All right, doing the last 5. This has cut a lot of time. You just want to go on in a diagonal right here. Remember, don't go too far. And just come across the opposite way. All right, so now that you got all your hot dogs nice and scored, they should kind of look like this. When you open them up a little bit, I didn't go too far in. Go ahead, throw these babies in the smoker. When you throw them in here, you want to give them a little bit of room to breathe because you want that smoke to go all around. We're gonna smoke these at about 225 to 250 degrees Fahrenheit for about an hour and a half, maybe even up to 2 hours, depending on how smoky you want these babies. I'll show you what the finished product looks like when they're after done. A couple of hours of smoking, you're gonna get some babies that look like this. All you do is throw that baby on a hot dog bun, and you're good to go. Alright guys, this has been the Smoking Beard. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and catch you guys on the flip side.